Which value of x satisfies the following equation? 2x plus 15 equals 65. So this is a two-step equation. We're trying to figure out what x is, and that means we want to get x alone on one side of the equation. And the way we're going to do that is think about, at some point we need to do the opposite of everything that's on this side. We're going to have to subtract 15, and we're going to have to divide by 2. Which one do we do first? Well, we need to think about the order of operations backwards. So sad mep. And I'm like, I think mep, 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 I'm so sad. Or just PEMDAS backwards, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, except backwards. So that's how you figure it out. And that means subtraction, addition. Okay, there is addition in here, so we are going to deal with that first by doing minus 15 from both sides. And 65 minus 15 makes 50. And 2x is still there. Now we've got to divide by 2 because we have 2x right here. We want to do the opposite. We think of the thing that cancels it out. And you see in this backwards order of operations, we have multiplication comes later than addition. So we're all good there. Let's divide by 2. This is one way to write that I'm dividing by 2. And we end up, maybe you know this just off the top of your head from thinking about maybe money and quarters, that 50 divided by 2 is 25. And that is our final answer. But for those of you who like to visualize things, and I think this is really helpful in math, let's look at the picture. So we have 2 mystery boxes. That's the 2x plus 15 positive circles. And that makes 65 positive circles. Lots of circles here. So they are going to be really sloppy when I draw them. Just a warning. And you want to get the boxes on one side alone first. Make it so it's just boxes before you start dividing. So we need to put 15 negative circles here. Again, they're really sloppy circles, I know. And then 15 circles here. 5. And we know that right here, just like we want it to, the 15 negative circles are going to collide with these 15 positive ones. So we can cross all of them out. Whereas here, on this side, we have 65 circles here. If you think this way, lengthwise, we have 6. And then this way going down, we have 10, which makes 60. And then you have kind of these extra 5 tacked on to this side right here. So thinking about that, we are going to have these 5 collide with this row. And that's going to take care of 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a row of 10 right here that these 2 groups of 5 can collide with the 10. And then there is piece, and we have 50. You think there are 5, and then still rows of columns of 10 right there. We have 50 right here, and we have 2 mystery boxes here. So we've got to cut them all in half and on both sides to get 1 mystery box alone. So that dividing 2 by 2 is pretty easy. Just take away one of them. And then right here, we're going to think about cutting it in half. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have only 5 here, and these guys are gone.